How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add reference image in ZBrush. So in order to do this, it's extremely simple. Head over to texture. You then want to click on import and then select the image that you want to use as a reference. So in my case, I'm going to be using this one. Click on the texture on, or you could just click on this texture button, click on the add to spotlight menu, and then of course you can adjust this accordingly. We have different presets to choose from, but place your spotlight or reference image the way you want to, and from there basically you are good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for similar videos like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.